I just can't believe it. I just cannot. I cannot. I just cannot believe it. I don't want it to say that, but unfortunately it does. And I'm taking responsibility and accountability for my own actions. And so it is what it is. And it's like sometimes when you do start resolutions, you don't tend to stick to them, or it feels like you're taking away things that you really like to do. I just can't believe it. I just cannot. I cannot. I just cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Somebody got work to do. So the fight is in me. I'm gonna, roll with it, and I'm gonna do something about it. So, like I said, I'm doing something about it. It's all about accountability. And so, oh my goodness, whether you're on the go or you just at the house and you're trying to figure it out, go ahead and grab a salad. Light in calories and oh so good. So, if you don't like certain meats, you can just ditch the meat and have a wonderful salad. Up next, yes, protein, protein, protein. Get it on in, get it on in, okay? Yes, just grab something simple, whether you like strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla. Yes, low in calories, and a shake will do. Whether you like your own smoothies, whether you like to just go ahead and batch it up yourself. Hey, on a lovely day, go ahead and grab a shake. Okay, you can make it nice and cold, put it in the freezer, and enjoy it. So, you want something sweet, okay, full of so much goodness, okay, a little friendly flora, okay, a little lactobacillus, okay, just good for your gut. So, I like to have one of these, okay, and yeah, why not? It's flavorful and it reminds you as if you're having a little candy, just like this fruit right here, which is one of my favorites. I love all type of fruit. I love fruit so much. So this is another fruit that I love, which is resveratrol. Okay, a little grape, I like Concord grapes too, but red grapes, they're my favorite. So I like to go ahead and get red grapes. Now, what's up next? It's another runner up. Okay, yes, soup, good for the soul. You want to keep it light. You want to keep it simple as well. Go for some soup, whether it's homemade or if it's canned, okay, just long as it has light in calories, and yeah, you can't go wrong. And if you think it's salty, you can just add a little bit more water, and it is just fill you up even more. And so I like to go ahead and add in certain vitamins and herbs or whatever. So this root right here, I like it, and it just spices things up, okay, and that's why I choose it. Hey, I also like water. Plenty, 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 plenty of water. Yes, that's a very key ingredient. You cannot go wrong. And this one is like the star player. I've been doing this, for years now, so I'm just sharing with you how I go ahead and kick it up, get my weight loss goals going. It is what it is, and it works for me. If you want to try it, I'm not saying, I'm not telling you to do anything. These are just things that I love to do. So good luck with it. Well, because I'm just trying to make it easy on me. Okay. I'm just trying to make it a little easy right now. And yeah, it's healthy, it's light, and the buzzer is gonna go off in just a second, and then we're gonna see what it's talking about. Okay, yeah, mm-hmm, perfect. So this guy right here, yes, it is quick, it is handy, and it works. Okay, so I know it's all of the rage. So many of you have them, but this time around, I was just like, let me go ahead and do a quick meal, and that is what I did. It's light in calories. It cuts out the frying, and it cuts down calories, and yeah. So you could go ahead and pick you up one from Walmart, and mine's is like one of the ones when it first hit the scene. So here are some prices over to the left if you're interested in one. It's a very easy gadget to use. I love it, and it saves me time, and yes, so I'm so pleased with it. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm so excited about it. Look, my hair is steady growing. It is growing. I'm just waiting for my face to, kick in, but I'm so excited about it. Okay. I'm down another 2 pounds. It's been what? 8, 9 days. Okay. So what I'm doing is working. Okay. So light, right? Okay. That's how I so feel about it. Like, I'm just trying to stay focused out here. Like, I'm so excited. I am. I'm so excited for it. I just thought I would just come in and talk a few minutes and go ahead and get on off of this thing because I'm working. And um, I just thought I just had to say that. Like, it's accountability, it's responsibility. Nobody is going to do it for you but yourself. And I always tell people, you're capable. You could do anything that you put your mind to, and it is mind over matter. It's a mindset. So, like, my skin is clearing, my hair is growing, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful. So, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep at it, and yeah, just hopes, because I'm a foodie. I like to eat. That's why I'm thick, but I'm tall. So you can't really, you know what I'm saying, decipher the difference. But I just like gotta give you proof, just gotta see, I can't get up here and not be my authentic self. That's just not, you know, yeah, it's just not. And I want to thank people that stop by my channel, that support my channel like 100. You know, like, I cannot stop smiling. But anyway, so if you're on a weight loss journey, shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? I just want to tell you, don't quit, keep going, and don't let nobody stop you. And eventually you will get there. Little bitty steps. You know what I'm saying? will make huge monuments, okay? Like little bitty steps, will break down barriers for you, okay? So, yeah, if you could just keep finding little things that you do love, but just, cutting back, scaling back a bit, then, you know what I'm saying? Man, I'm rooting for you. So, thank you. And I don't know where this vlog is going to pick up, you know, um, but that's all. I just had to come back in, stick my head in, and let you know what was happening and what was going on thus far. So,
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
The next day.
Alright, it's been like, I don't know, maybe this is the 10th day, okay? But I'm about to get back up here and see. It is another day. I want to wish everybody a good day. It's early in the morning and I'm feeling great and I'm feeling good. And I'm about to get back up here and see what's going on. Yeah, I was 0.4. I was 0.4. Okay. So I lost, what was it, 0.2, 0.4? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So that's what it is right now. So this is where it's going to end. I'm going to keep going and I'm going to pick back up. I'm going to give an update at a later day. So I want to thank you so very much for watching. If you're still at it, keep at it and don't quit. Keep going, keep planning and strategizing. And yeah, man. I'm so excited. I gotta just keep fighting it, okay? Because it is a battle. You know what I'm saying? What you consume, you know? So when you have a deficit, you should see a deficit on the scale. And that's it. That's point blank, period. So I'm out of here. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free. And you're doing the things that you love to do.